Linking your bank to Zazzle is an important step for receiving payments for your sales. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth connection between your bank account and your Zazzle account. Step 1. Log into your Zazzle account. Start by visiting the Zazzle website and logging into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment or Payment Information section. Click on this option to proceed to the payment setup. Step 4. Add your bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your bank details, make sure to review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Update button to finalize the linking process. Now you are all set to receive payments from your Zazzle sales directly to your bank account. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure everything is functioning correctly.